Hi, so this is, I'll show you how to assemble the BEAT-S2. Normally you shouldn't assemble like this, but this is like a kind of the emergency. We put this simulator into this bag. So first you get the 4 pieces of the pole. So here, this. Then using this leg part, hold it tight, and like this. See again. Okay. こっち側のサイドから取れる。でいいよ。そしたら目線で一緒だから。The next thing. Like this. Like this. Okay, so 4 poles here. So next is the top parts, like this. So you use a screw to tie this up. So 4 screws. Don't break it, okay? The driver, very simple, easy. Gently, please. Otherwise, you're gonna break this plus this gap. It breaks the screw. So. Okay. Easy. Another. Okay, done. And finally, here's a retractor part, like this. See? There you can adjust this area of surgical field. Then, using this knob, nut, to tie this up. Okay, then next is a beating module. You release the knob so it can be flexible. Here you see the screws here. Okay, I'll make it tight. See? Then make screw. Goes here. And hole. Okay, done. See? So this is power cable for the LED lights, and this is for beating units. Also, you can use this arm for training, holding the graph. So next is controllers. Plug in here, controllers, and it's power source for LED lights. Then also make power. This USB micro USBs here. So put like this. Then plug in the power source. Very simple. Then you turn it on, it starts beating. You can change the pattern of the beating and also heart rate. as 50 to 80. Okay, that's it. So also this is a USB module. You can use this. Replace this. So you can use USB power source for LED. It's up to you. That's your option. It's just option. Thanks, that's all. Very simple. Thank you.